73 people turned up and we made sales.
Yes, I woke up today and just chose chaos. I think I've had enough. Why don't you lay off?
Today we are launching TrendFeed. This is the app that I built entirely using AI. I have built it today, we've got a lot to do, and Matthew is going to be doing the marketing. So basically the goal for today is finish the app, bug test it, and make sure it works. We've got to fix 2 different features on the app. Then we've got to get prepared for the sales funnel, make sure all of that works. So about 100 people registered for the event tonight to sell this software, and we still haven't set up the payment process up. We've got the bank account, and then we've got to finish the sales funnel. Now the goal from this first launch is literally just to generate, ideally, $500 to $2,000, $3,000 in the first launch. That gives us money to then invest into ads, because we don't want to be using the personal brand to scale this. But today is going to be a f***ing long day. I can film a course on like how to use the app. Like, that isn't a problem. I can have the scripts being generated, so I can have the quality of the scripts being generated probably in an hour's time, 30 to 40 minutes time. And then once that's done, then we can film. The course is like how to use the app, but it's also how to actually get views and do the viral content and stuff. For the time being, I can just put in one of my other courses. To get this thing working, I need to do 2 more blasts. I'm like hammering my list for this, so this better fucking work. I am like mass panicking to get the last final bugs fixed, set up the payment processor so we can actually accept the payments, and then set up a live call onboarding for everybody into the app tomorrow as well. First of all, you can build an app in a very short amount of time, and this has taken me 4 days to build. Go and watch yesterday's video if you want to see more about how I did it. But this is to prove to you guys that you don't need to have like a super massive idea. You can build it very quickly. It doesn't need to be finished when you launch it, because then, like, if this doesn't work, I've only wasted a week, right? But if it does work, I can always make it better and improve it. So currently what I'm working on is an AI agent for the scriptwriter. So if I'm writing a script, for example, for this news article here, okay, so this is the result of the output. And I'm currently working on a planning agent, which is going to plan the script and make it better, which then the other agents are going to use to write the script and write the hooks. Well, we are down to the wire. It is 1 PM, so we have 6 hours left until the webinar starts. I haven't finished the webinar, and the app has now broken and stopped working. This could be... Can we fix this? Is this possible to fix? Please tell me. Please tell me we can fix this.
Yeah.
No, we can fix it. We can fix it. I mean, it was working before, right? So it's just stopped working, so we can work out why. This is our best case. With any luck today, we'll actually get a higher show rate, and we might even get a higher conversion rate. I don't know. We'll see. We could even get a terrible conversion rate. This is a brand new offer, brand new product, brand new funnel, brand new everything. I want to prove to him that this is a great business that him and I can start. He's built an amazing software. We've got something really cool that I actually think can help a lot of people, and it actually works pretty well for what it is in the first week. So now I need to do my part. He's done his part. He's built the software. Now it's time for me to do my part and sell the software and make us at least £1,000 so we can invest some money into ads. And if we can get a 10% plus conversion rate, I know that we can get the profitable and paid ad. And if we can do that, it's a fucking home run at this point. So I'm excited.
The really good thing about building with AI, I'm lying on the floor under my table, and the agent is currently coding out the app for me. Is it still working?
I don't know.
Is it writing code on the right hand side?
No.
Okay, it's broken. Ah!
So the CEO of the company that we're using to deploy the app on is now replying to me on Twitter. This company does like hundreds of millions of dollars.
Right, we'll tell him to buy our software.
And I'm trying to get the, there's some issues I'm trying to work on like how to set it up with spending limits and also security and stuff. So I did the post on that, and he was like, this should all be covered here. So he's not like, you know, going into much detail, but he's aware of what I'm doing.
Let me just show you this quickly, right?
This is the payment link. All right, so it's
a one-time payment of £249. They can split pay, so they can pay credit card, so we can take Amex, Visa, MasterCard, all those different ones. We can take Clear Pay, which is Afterpay, which is a split pay option, which is interest-free payments times 4.
So for those of you guys who are curious why we're charging £249 is because this is a product that has monthly subscriptions. So the goal is we're going to be selling this for about £250 to £300, £450 per year, and we're going to gradually increase the price as we add more features. So for early adopters, the people who take the first version of this product, we are going to obviously give them a discount because it's an early version, there's less features, so they're getting £250 for a one-time payment, access to it for life. So if they use it in 2 years' time, they don't have any subscription payments. So £250 lifetime payments today, that proves the funnel works. Then we have our borderline base metric to compare against. What I'm currently doing now is I'm actually building out a course section into the app. So we have this trend feed course here. What's going to happen is when we go into this section of the app, we're going to have a navigation panel down the left here, and then we click into it and it's going to show us all of the course content. Now the course content is going to show them how to go viral on TikTok, because that will then increase retention, make sure people get better results from using trend feed. Now back to the Stripe thing. Now one of the biggest concerns I have is with the payment processor, because the problem is with WAP that I found in the past is there's no options for split pay. If people's payments fail, we can't see why those payments are failing, so we can't tell them, look, your payments failed on the live event, and say, look, try again. The only problem is Stripe, if it's a brand new account and you get a large amount of sales volume very quickly, there's a very, very high chance that they'll shut the Stripe account down, which is why we want to do this test payment first. So there's a lot that could go wrong. We could lose internet, the live could go wrong, people may not be able to sign up for the app, God knows what. So this is what it's done, it's created this sort of basic course here. I'm just going to basically improve it, and I want to try and make it look a little bit cleaner, but yeah, we'll work on that next.
Yeah, only getting started when it's midnight, keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna go to war, it can get dark, but we stay bright. Coming like a night, it's on sight, ever touch my sleeve. Niggas around there wanna disagree when it's clear that I'm speaking facts.
Live event starts at 7, so we've got about an hour and a half until this actually launches. We are basically done. Now I had some issues with the app, there were a whole load of bugs. I've managed to fix 99% of them. There's a couple, but they're not stopping the app from working. It's just slightly more inefficient than I would have liked. But what I've done now is, if you come into the app, you can see here, first of all, I've actually created a Discord channel, so we can go ahead and people can join the Discord. I've set up all of the different channels in here, so they can go ahead, they can ask questions, they can meet people, there's general chat, there's support, and they can submit bugs. This is very, very important for building the community. This is going to be a huge part of this company. And then we've got the news feed, which is still working. We've got the trending scripts, and I've added this down here, which looks pretty cool. I literally just one-shotted this in a single prompt, so they can join the Discord, which opens this pop-up, and then they can click on support, and they can get support. So they can either email us here or join Discord for the support. So hopefully now this will then manage the initial spur of customer support questions if anything goes wrong.
Alright, I am fucking shitting my pants. This is it. We have 30 minutes left until I go live, and I run the first webinar for our joint venture software for TrendFeed. Fucking go, boys! We've got 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I've just sent out an email to 9,000 people, so hopefully people fucking show up. Alright, here we go. This is it. Down to the wire. There is literally nothing else I can do. It is 2 minutes to 7 p.m. in the evening on the 26th of February. We start in a little over a minute. It is now 1 minute until we go live.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these wrestlers nice, all these different situations that I've been through.
Holy fuck. Oh my god. Let's just run through the numbers. You have to see this. You have to see this, guys. We had a 38% show rate. 73 people turned up. 73 people turned up, and we made 20 sales. Oh my god, oh my god. That's a 27% conversion rate on fucking live attendees. Oh my fucking god, yes! You said chin up. Oh, I can't wait to film your reaction. Do you want... I'm just going to stand by the lights.
I'm actually very, very nervous right now.
Close your eyes. Okay. Put your hand up, hold it. Holy shit! Okay, fucking put it there, boy. Yes! I thought we'd done like 500. You fucking tricked me, you little bitch. I had to. Shit, what was the conversion rate?
28%.
28? What, from shows or?
Total shows.
From pitch, about 40%.
How do we do? Celebrating the launch, and like idiots, Matthew forgot to link the bank account to the Stripe account. We're now doing that so we can actually see the money come into this new Monzo account.
There you go. 7 days ago, Seb and I planned a new SaaS. He built it in 4 days using nothing but AI to code it. No jokes. The dude was lying under his desk while the AI wrote it. Seb's the technical lead, I'm the marketing sales. We launched tonight, made £5,000 in 1 hour.
This is fucking sick. It's fucking sick. It's just like you don't need to have the world's best idea. You need to understand marketing. Matthew's a fucking wizard at marketing. You need to understand how to pick the right idea and just run it up. Oh, this is so good.
Okay, well, so there we go. That is it. The first day of launch for Trend Feed. £4,990 in the first day of launch, built entirely with AI in just 4 days. I'll do more videos talking about it probably tomorrow, but for now I'm going to call it there for the day. We've had a celebration of drinks. It's been an incredible day, but let's end this here.